Now with the area's certified most accurate forecast 7 years in a row, meteorologist Chad Raithlisberger.
All right, lots to get to on this Tuesday afternoon. Let's start with our Storm Team 5 Skyview camera in Oshkosh. All is quiet right now, but we do have a little spider there enjoying the dry weather while it lasts for a few more hours before the rain starts to move in from the south. Much the same right now in Sturgeon Bay, 39 degrees. Under cloudy skies, temperatures 30s and some lower 40s here late this afternoon. They will probably fall just a few more degrees this evening before they start to increase once again later on tonight as winds really start to pick up as the storm system gets closer. Right now, these winds are the northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour, probably has some gusts around 20 at the moment, and those winds get even stronger later on tonight and probably even stronger by tomorrow afternoon once the storm passes off to our east. Right now, winter weather advisories in effect for all these counties shaded in purple. That goes into effect later on this evening, runs until noon on Wednesday. We could have a few inches of slushy accumulation up that direction, generally north and west of Green Bay, where we are expecting the heavier snow. That is in the winter storm warning. All these counties shaded in pink for much of northern Wisconsin, including Wausau towards Merrill, Tomahawk, Rhinelander, but that also does include Lane Lake County, so Antigo, you're under that winter storm warning. Forest, Florence, and northern Marinette counties. That warning runs until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. We also are dealing with another system that will potentially bring more flooding to lakeshore and bayshore communities, a lakeshore flood advisory in effect. Until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, we have these very strong east and northeast winds once again piling up some of that water right along the Lake Michigan shoreline and the western shore of the Bay of Green Bay. And those northeast winds will probably pile up some of that water across the lower bay, so the Fox River, the Swamico River, O'Connell River as well, even the East River could back up a little bit later on tonight as all that water gets pushed down into the lower portions of the bay. Strong winds expected tomorrow afternoon as well. A wind advisory in effect from Door County, that is, in areas to the south where we could have wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. That runs until 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, right now, just cloudy skies across the area, but we are dry at the moment. However, we do have this first batch of rainfall now pushing into southern Wisconsin, moving northward fairly quickly. So if you are headed out to the holiday parade, the Christmas parade in Appleton this evening, you might be running into some rain showers. The main storm system now across central Kansas makes its way right towards Wisconsin later on tonight. Let's look at Futurecast taking you hour by hour. Here's 6 o'clock, and notice that initial band of light rain showers starting to push into the Fox Valley. Still dry for Green Bay and areas to the north, but by the mid to late evening, rain looking fairly likely across the area. That rain snow line basically from Stevens Point to Shawano to Marinette. And notice how that doesn't change a whole lot as we head to the early morning hours on Wednesday. You get south and east of that line for Green Bay, the Valley, Lakeshore. Very heavy rain expected for your morning commute tomorrow. Heavy snow north and west of Shawano. And then eventually we will start to see that storm system pass to our east during the late morning tomorrow. As it does so, gusty northwest winds will bring in so much colder air for your Wednesday afternoon. So what rain we have across the area will potentially switch over to some snow showers early tomorrow afternoon. And then things look much quieter in terms of rain and snow for your Wednesday evening. Not much snow expected from about O'Connell and areas to the south, but north and west of Shawano and Marinette, that's where we could have anywhere from 1 to 3, even 3 to 6 inches of snow for those areas. Winds here later on tonight, northeast at 15 to 25 miles an hour. Could have some gusts around 40 later on today and tomorrow afternoon. So your forecast for tonight, it will turn windy with low temperatures in the 30s. That rain and snow beginning to move in here later on this evening and tonight. Rain and snow during at least the first half of the day on Wednesday. Very windy as well. Highs will be early in the day, likely falling through the afternoon. A dry day for Thanksgiving, and then another system brings more rain and snow late Friday, continuing Saturday, and even into Sunday with highs in the 30s through the weekend. And then we get a little break from the rain and snow early next week. For your latest forecast information and watches and warnings, you can find that anytime at our website, wearegreenbay.com.
Good thing a lot of people are going to be off the next couple days, so
yeah,
they
need
just sit in the house and watch it through the window.
There you go.
All right, thanks, Chad. Okay. Hey.